All right, Joe. Tell me which one's better, the marble or the regular cheesecake? Which one's number one?
I can't complain about neither.
Yeah.
But for me personally, you should stop making it for the old guy, because you don't want him to have a heart attack. He's old.
He is getting old.
Food, you don't want to regret making him a cheesecake. That's why you got to give it to the young man.
Yeah, he's getting a belly too. We got to get him back on the treadmill.
Yeah, got to give it to the young man. Plus, I get Joe drunk, so he gets nice when he's drunk. I give him homemade wine.
Yeah, you've been slipping on that department too, by the way.
Homemade wine and his father makes. Okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Don't fall for that crap.
Yeah. Yeah.
And second of all, the guy stole a big piece yesterday.
And he keeps on calling me old. Let me tell you something. You look at the both of us, you don't see much difference.
All right, so who's supposed
If I go like this, I look younger.
All right. All right, so who's supposed to get the cake on Saturday that's being made?
That's me.
You? Why you?
Why me?
Come on. Why would you get the cake? What
would
about
you do
Joe?
without me,
Yeah, I got the final say here.
What?
If you get pulled over by a police officer, what is Joe giving you to show you to get out of trouble?
Not much.
Nothing.
Not much.
Listen, he's old and forgotten.
Matter of fact,
You can't give the cop homemade wine, you gotta give him a card.
Exactly. And you figure if I mention his name, he might even know him and then really lock me up.
Hey, half the cops didn't like him anyway. They'd probably give you 2 tickets.
All right.
And I heard your marble cheesecake was good based on Joe's.
No, not good.
review.
Excellent.
Excellent.
But me
I heard holy
personally, okay, you don't add marbles, you don't add,
I don't
you
even
don't
know.
add ping pong balls, you add nothing to it, okay? You just keep it cheesecake.
I agree with
And
Joe.
that's it.
You know, I can honestly say I agree with Joe, and I'm safe.
Yeah, you can't go wrong, right?
All right, over and out.